Hello, I am Pau and I will tell you how you can save a street dog in 11 steps. First, if you see a street dog and you want to save it, you have to observe if the dog is in a place where you can be in danger. Wait until it is safe for you to approach it. Be sure that the dog doesn't have an owner nearby. There are two types of stray dogs. The first type are the dogs that have always lived in the street since they were born. The second type are the dogs that once have a family. You have to evaluate what type it is. It's important to know which type of stray dog it is because it is more probable that the dogs that have a family are healthier. Protect yourself when you approach the dog because it may be frightened and maybe try to defend himself. You can use an object in front of you like a racket. Gain the dog trust before you come very close. You can give him food or a bone. Use any object as a leash or put him in a box to transport him. Take him to the vet to check his health and verify if he has a chip to identify his owner. If he doesn't have a chip, you can put signs around the neighborhood to find his owner. You can also use Facebook. If you don't find the owner, you can find someone to adopt him and give him a vaccine that he needs. If you decide to keep the dog, make sure that you have your parents' permission.